Hi everyone and welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm gonna make these Lucky Charms bark treats with all of you. It's only 3 ingredients, possibly 4 if you count the food coloring, that's optional, but these are so easy to make with kids. So what I've done already, and I'm making a half batch, so my measurements are gonna be, they're gonna appear to be off, but they're not. I am using this melting bark. It's made by Ghirardelli. You can use almond bark if you want to. Go ahead and melt it in the microwave. That's the easiest. You can do it in a double boiler if you want to. And this takes just about 50 seconds. You need to stir it halfway through. Don't forget that because it's really easy to burn in the microwave. So I've done that before and I know. So once it's melted, go ahead and reserve some of it because we're going to use it for drizzle over the top. And then for the rest of it, if you want to, and you only need to separate it out if you're adding the tint of food coloring. If you're skipping that, you don't need to do that at all. So I'm just using some food coloring here. You don't need very much. You can use the kind that's drops. This is a paste that I have. So my thing is just about out. Let's see, I'm just gonna grab a little bit and you're just gonna stir it up until it's fully incorporated. It's just gonna make it kind of fun. And even though I'm using Lucky Charms cereal today, you could use any kind of fun marshmallow shape. So maybe you enjoy cooking with kids and they love like unicorn shapes and things like that. Just play with it. It's a super, super fun, fun way to make something cute together. So you're gonna take a piece of parchment paper, and I'll turn it this way so it doesn't curl. And you're simply going to pour a puddle of it on your parchment. So if you're using the full batch, you could use a larger pan. It helps to kind of keep everything flat because I'm actually going to speed it up and let it cool in the refrigerator, but it will firm up just on your countertop as well. Okay, so you're gonna spread this into a thin layer. And then I've got a piece of food coloring that didn't mix up there. That's okay. All right, just like that. And now we're gonna drizzle the white over the top. So these silicone prep bowls let you squeeze, so it makes it easy to drizzle. And so you'll just kind of go back and forth, just like this. Use it all up. Do you like to cook with your kids or grandkids? This is gonna be such a fun thing for you all to do together. Okay, so when you're finished with that, you're going to blend it. You can use a toothpick, or I'm gonna use our cake tester. I'm actually gonna use this flat side. And so you're just gonna drag it back and forth. It kind of makes a little swirl design, and you can go the other way too if you like. Okay, that was the hardest part. Now here's where the kids will have fun. I have some Lucky Charms cereal. By the way, this is gluten-free. I had no idea. I haven't bought this stuff in years, but yesterday I pulled out the marshmallows so that I'd have them for this. My son informed me you can buy the marshmallows by themselves online. I didn't know that. So if you have access to them, you can. And you're just gonna take them and sprinkle them over the top. Now you need to do this right away because it's going to start to set up, and that chocolate will make kind of a glue to hold those marshmallows. Okay, and then I've got some sprinkles. These are just pastel colors. Add them over the top. So imagine, you know, other types of sprinkles or marshmallows would work fine for a birthday party or something like that. Now you just take your hands and very gently press those marshmallows into the chocolate. That one came out. There, that's it. That's all you have to do. Once it is cooled, then you can cut it up or break it up however you like. I like to just take the parchment paper, and because it's a little bit bigger, I can just kind of break it over itself, just like that. And you see, you've got little pieces. Perfect for snacking. So I hope you'll try this. It's playful, it's fun, and really simple. So you need some almond bark or white chocolate, marshmallows, sprinkles. That's it. I hope you'll have fun making this with the kids in your life. Take care.